Guard your credit score with your life. The higher your credit score, the lower the risk you pose to a lender. Credit score is extremely important, guys. You can use your credit score to get wealthy. Do you know that? Do you know that you can use the bank's money? They call it OPM, other people's money, and that's the bank's money. And the best way to do it is to have a high credit score. So you need to be extremely strict with your credit score, because that's your future right there. I want to read this article quickly. What is a credit score and why it is important for all you young people out there? A credit score is a 3-digit number, often between 300 and 850. Your credit score is calculated using a formula taking into account your payment history and the length of it, the balance owed, your debt levels, and the number of credit accounts you have. The information is collated from credit reports put together by credit bureaus for lenders to assess. Credit scores range from exceptional to poor and can influence the interest rate you would be offered. Your credit score can also affect your loan application. Oh, your credit score. Okay, let me come again. Your credit score can also affect if your loan application is accepted or declined. It represents the risk that lenders take when you borrow money from them. So it's extremely important, because the goal is not to invest, guys. It's 2024. The goal is not to save. The goal is to invest. Sikhathele lento yokusave, say investor manje. Sesihamba ngogear number 6. It's 2024, guys. I know it's good to save, but we save to invest. So the narrative that should be pushed out there to the public is invest. Not save, but invest. Wherever you see the word save, replace it with invest. Wherever you see the word saving, replace it with the word investing. Wherever you see the word savings, replace it with investments. So we're no longer saving, we are investing. 2024. We are investing this year. We are not saving anymore. We are investing. From here onwards, every other year, you must always remember that I taught you that. No longer saving, we are investing. We're not playing here. But for you to be able to do that with the bank's money, guys, using credit, which what we call good credit, is you have to have a very high credit score, which means you must pay abantu bakolotayo on time. You must call the bank if you can't be able to do so, make payment arrangements. Just be somebody that they can rely on. You know what I mean? Don't skip payments. If you can, sometimes pay much earlier. If you can, sometimes pay an extra 500 in your installments, especially home loan installments or even car installments. Any other installment term that you would like to shorten. If you've got a 20-year home loan, or you've got a 25 years home loan, or a 30-year home loan with the bank, and you want to end up paying it off in 15 years, you can actually do that by paying extra every month, depending on how much your home loan is. Pay that extra 500 rands a month, every month. You'll see how much difference it's going to make over a long period of time. And it'll actually ensure that you pay lower interest rates as well, you know? Credit score is so important, guys. I've been into a situation where I can't buy nothing. Because I've been red flagged. Do you know what I mean? Like I've got a low credit score. And then when you research it, you'll find out what is a judgment. Find out what is a judgment. What does that mean? Do you know what I mean? Like, do all of that research. All of that affects your credit score. Basically, report yakho yokuthi uziphatha kanjani financially. Isitshela ngawe kabanzi nge-financial behavior yakho. So make sure that you guard your credit score with your life, because you can use that credit score to get good credit. You can use good credit to buy assets. You can use those assets to generate monthly income, to use that the generation of that monthly income to even create even a better relationship with the bank by paying even a little bit more on your installments or your engagements, by even becoming even more of a good payer with the bank, by even paying the credit that they give you on time as well, and finishing it off if you can. And if they offer you more, then use that credit to access assets or to buy assets with it, and especially assets that can yield you monthly income. You know what I mean? So that you just keep on repeating the process. That's pretty much how you create wealth, using your credit score. So guard your credit score with your life. I love you guys. Danko.